So every time I come up with an idea, I put it in as a different business unit and focus on it, while the other units are doing what they already mature to do. So, and that unit will literally begin to bring its own revenue as a new revenue stream. So the business is built on quite a number of strong foundations in different areas so that they can help each other. The main one is always going to be the main one, and that will anchor or keep everything in place. But once everything is running well in one area, I focus on how can I bring the other areas up. So we've broken the business into 4 units. The Bestcomm Unified Cloud, that's where my online applications and platforms are all managed from. Then network and cybersecurity, you understand how big this area of IT is now. It's multi-billion-dollar business. So, and it doesn't matter how small you are, if you've got the smarts, put them right together, you can go and provide solutions to any large-sized company. And that's what we are doing mostly in Australia. Implementation and support, this is going back all the way from 28 years ago. All that experience feeds into the other business units. Then on the Best Online, we do the hosting and full-stack software development. They all start with best. I just don't believe in anything else other than doing the very best for my clients. And customers are at the center of what drives me.